Sure guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today sibuyele a review yengoma entsha i-Afrotech iyatrenda right now. So I think this is one of my hits ongasaphumule this year. So ingoma ibizwa ngeIsaga. So it's by uSiza. Abanye bambiza ngoCiza but uSiza. So abaningi bazokhumbula ukuthi uSiza umntwana akathi K Ncinza benonhlanhla Ncinza lapho imember iMafikizolo. So intwana isencane andikade lokhu izama ukuthi uyifuna ama hit song but ubebhiza kakhulu ngengoma ze-Afrobeat, but I think this time ulende kumajida e-production rap because usebenzisana nomjida obiza ngoJazzWork. uJazzWork uyena lo obehind ingoma le ka-Oscar Mbo ivuka lekuyona ingoma ebig. So I think umjida ndusefomini because unama hit song awu-2 already kulonyaka and ayi-Afrotech because last year ama-hits amaningi bekwamapiano but i-Afrotech ngathi ku-2025 iza kabi. So bekithi nje ngifuna si-check-e kuleyo ngoma because no yonke imoto ehambayo, yonke ikara, everywhere leyo ngoma iyadlala even namaseklabhini. I think kube iphume ngoNovember, ibiphume ngo-October, bekade izokwenza likhulu kakhulu. So shout out intwana ukuthi ithi zala abantu abawu-2 abama-legend nayo iphinde izokwenza into enkulu ngapha because abantu abaningi mhlawumbe abangamazi uTK Ncinza. uTK Ncinza uyena umuntu obehind i-TS Record, uyena umuntu obehind ama-brand afana nabo-Brown Dash, uyena umuntu o-introduce umapapusi ko-Galo Record. So uyi-exact yo-music kahle, umuntu nje ovele okade sebig but intwana yakhe hayi ivele yalenda ku-hit song and I think uzoyiphusha ngayo yonke indlela because uvele itama layo no-connection and uNhlanhla Ncinza namanje use-active ku-game. So nje I think into enhle kakhulu enzala kuleya family kakhulu and intwana ngiyayibona ukuthi no ine-energy iyamvuma nengoma yakhona. So besalindele i-music video yakhona ukuthi izophuma-ke but I think i-Afrotech this year ayisibonisa ama-flames, hayi beza kabi because lama hit song ayeza ngempela, especially this guy uJazzWork. Angimazi ukuthi wakupha, ngaze ngibone even iface yakhe but ingoma zakhe zibig. I think naye mengakhipha mhlawumbe iproject yakhe ingalenda ihambe ngalo nje. So I think ingoma nje yashisa kakhulu. Besifuna ukureviewa leyo ngoma so-Speaker Now but anyway sekhona ku-Facebook si-Speaker Now and lasposta khona ama-link. So abantu abaningi abalike ipage si-Speaker Now ku-Facebook, ku-Twitter sikhona @si-Speaker Now, sekhona ku-TikTok c.si-Speaker Now and sikhona ku-Instagram mayikhona idatha sangena nakhona. Away, we out.